Alright, what's up everybody? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner hip hop mini class where I teach you the basic moves, grooves, and techniques you need to understand in order to freestyle or learn choreography. But before jumping into that, I do have one thing for you. If you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you want private lessons with myself, you can do that by go ahead and applying by just clicking the link in the description box, and that way you can apply and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so with that out of the way, let's jump into it, shall we? So we've been working on the ball change for the past couple of videos, so now I'm going to kind of give you one variation with it, okay? So not going into the kickball change yet, that is a different variation of the ball change, but this variation is actually using a ball change but taking it in a different direction, okay? So the typical way we do a ball change is when we're doing to the side, right? Doing a little crossover step, okay? So you want to think it's either a crossover step, but for this one, I'm actually going to take it and I'm just going to open up to the side, okay? So in your mind, basics of it, I'm going crossover and I'm stepping together and I'm gonna go open, step together, okay? So now I'm combining almost like two steps, but I am technically still doing a ball change, okay? So with my left foot, I'm crossing over to my right. This is the basic step that we've been working on. And then now instead of switching to my right foot crossing, I'm gonna add one more where I go with my left foot over and then come back, okay? So in my mind, just to keep a little drill going, I'm gonna go cross, together, open, together, cross, and then finish it off. Okay, so with my left foot, I'm going cross, and then I'm coming together, then I'm gonna go open, together, then I'm gonna go cross, together. Okay, so count-wise, you wanna think in your head, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so one more time, with my left, I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, actually, let's just do one more just to finish out the 8 count. So we'll go 7, 8. Okay, so you want to think cross, open, cross, open. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going cross, close, open, close, cross, close, open, close. Okay, so that'll be with our right leg. Okay, so with our left leg, I want to do the same thing. So I'm going to go cross with my right over my left. Then I'm going to go together. And then instead of crossing over with my left, I want to open again with my right. So right, together. Okay, so again, I'm going right, close, open, close. So in your mind, you're basically doing like, I guess a right, left, right, left, right, left the whole time. Either if you're going to your right, and a left, right, left, right, left, right the whole time you're going to your left, right? So in my head, I'm stepping over my right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, so you might see this move. One way people kind of use it is when they're doing like a toe coming out, and they're kind of using that to almost like shuffle back and forth. But for this one, we're thinking ball change. Okay, so in my mind, now that I understand this concept, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now I want to add the ball change in between each of those steps, just to make it a little bit more, I guess, advanced. Okay, so first ball change is normal, so right, left, and then from here, I'm gonna go. Instead of planting and then trying to go with my right, I'm gonna use this right coming in to do a ball change, right, left. Okay, so you wanna think, and 1, and 2. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, left. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, Good, so for this one, let's not focus on any grooves today. Just get the new fancy footwork going. So here we go, so 5, 6, 7, 8. This is right, left. Okay, and then just to finish off that little combination, we'll do right, left again. So right, left, and then right, left again, right, left. Okay, so it should feel like I'm closing off, opening, closing off, opening. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So it's almost like a gallop, but in your head, just think ball change, ball change, ball change, ball change. And again, my weight is kind of shifting from my right leg to my left leg, right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg. Okay, so let's try those to count. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Good, so we'll reset and we'll go to the other side. So same thing. Now you want to think left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Again, close, open, close, open. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And again, in your head, just think you're just shifting your weight from your left leg to your right leg. Okay, let's try to count. So 5, 6, 7, 8. left, right, left, right, left, right. That wasn't even counts, but that was just words. Here we go, with count. 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So for this one, it's gonna give you a little bit more movement versus going and 1, pause, and 1, pause, right? So we want to think constant movement. And 1, and 2, and 1, and 2, or and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2. Okay, here we go. Let's try going to the right, and then from this one, we'll pause and we'll go to the left. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and pause. 5, 6, to your left, left, right, left, right, left, right, and pause. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and pause. 5, 6, left leg, left, right, left, right, left, right, and pause. Okay, so let's just try that with music. Again, we're only doing, technically we're doing four counts on each side, and we're giving a 5, 6, 7, 8 so you can reset. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and pause. 5, 6, 7, left leg, and 1, and 2, and 3, and right leg. 5, 6, right leg, and 1, and 2, and 3, and pause. Left leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, and pause, and go, and go, and go. Good. Okay, let's try it one more time. Here we go. Let's get the beat back too. There it is. Hey. And 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, left, right, left. Good again. 5, 6 with your left leg now. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Right leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Good. Okay. Cool. So now we're gonna try to kind of mix and match them however you want, okay? So now we kind of have an extra step to play with, which is the fun part with it, okay? So now we can think, okay, I could finish off I could even start with just a regular crossover, right? So this would be like cross, and then from here I could do like a ball change. I could even keep it on that ball change, ball open, ball change, ball open, together, cross, together, ball change. So now I'm just mixing and matching everything. So basically everything you know with the ball change, now you can kind of utilize everything into one giant fancier movement in freestyle, but really you're just doing ball changes or basic crossovers, okay? So for example, I could start with my left leg. So this would be basic. This would be the ball change to the open. This would be basic. I could go cross over here. I could go ball change. I could do ball change again. I could go left, maybe open it up, come around, cross over, over, right? So in my head, I'm just doing crossover steps and ball changes. So let's try with music. And again, we're just focusing on the step, just really trying to get into the rhythm of it, okay? Here we go. The ultimate test for today. Can you be a ball change master? Here we go. Oh, yeah, I like that. Here you go. So just freestyling. So 5, 6, 7. So this is like a regular ball change, right? This is my regular crossover. Now I might open up. So open. And now I'm back. So again, just messing around with my ball changes, trying to come with the beat. Just messing around with different moves you could do, just with basic crossovers and ball changes. Again, you could change your directions, right? I could do just crossovers. I could do opens, back to ball change, okay? So again, just playing around with just basic movements, right? It doesn't have to be fancy. That's the beauty of dance. You can always change it to make it look very different, okay? So main thing to take away from today's lesson is basically we just took a basic move and we just create different variations of it. So technically this is all coming just from our basic crossover step, right? So today we took it from a crossover step and instead of crossing over, we did an opening step with it. But in your head, you're still doing the same footwork, right? We also took that ball change where we did like a cross behind, but now I'm doing like a a reset. It's almost like an in-place ball change. So I'm just using this to go from side to side, right? So just know any move that you learn, whether it's in these videos or you take a class or you just see somebody do it, try to see what it is and then flip it. Flip it to whatever you want to make it your own. You could even like get fancier, like just use my heel, right? That's where this move comes from, right? It's the same exact move. It's still the ball change, but now it's just focusing on, okay, I'm gonna point my toe in the air, right? But in a sense, it's still this, right? If I wanted to do tippy toes, I could do that too. So it's just very, just simple little tweaks you can do to vary up your movement, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this. Again, if you want to take your dance skills to even higher level and you want some like personal guidance, go ahead and hit the link in the description box. You can apply to have private lessons with me and I'd be happy to help you out. Hopefully we can work together. So if you enjoyed this, again, make sure you like it. Make sure you share it with everybody. Other than that, have a wonderful day and I will see you later. Peace.